Well, hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial where we'll be showing you how to use Ubersuggest to improve your SEO. You can consider this as an Ubersuggest research tutorial. In order to use Ubersuggest successfully to improve your SEO, you will need to create an account, of course, because you get only one search on Ubersuggest without an account. But when you have an account, you can have at least 3 searches a day. And of course, if you're on a pay plan, this definitely opens the way for more keyword searches. Before we start, we have the link to Ubersuggest in the description below so you can get a head start on Ubersuggest and improve your SEO. And as you can see, we're here on Ubersuggest and we're going over to keyword research, right? And we're clicking on keyword overview. So here we can put in our keyword search, the language and the location. You need to make sure of these. And then we're going to put in a keyword. So we actually put here tech reviews and you can see the result right here. The search volume is 1,900 and the SEO difficulty is at 94. What this means is it's going to be pretty hard for you to use this keyword if you want to succeed at getting your SEO right there. So if you just have topics like tech reviews, it might be more difficult because you have other sites that maybe have a website and that have historical data, and this would make it difficult for you to beat the SEO rankings. However, if you want to make things better, you're going to be looking for more specific keywords to have a lower SEO difficulty rating. Now, before you go into that, you can see the location breakdown here, and you can see the United States at 29%, others at 58%, and you can see the other countries. And then here's some important information. It says the average web page that ranks in the top 10 has 1.9 million backlinks and a domain score of 91. So if you're just starting out, this is going to be hard for you to overcome. So you can now go ahead and use a 7-day free trial to get the search intent. It says to uncover your audience goals, whether they're searching to learn, compare, or purchase. This will help you in your SEO search and make it better. So what we can do now is to click on the search volume area here, click on it, and you can see keywords, tech reviews. This is what we actually search for. And right here, you can see SEO difficulty. This is more information than what we had before. As you can see, 82, 17. And in order to make your SEO search better, you'll need to look through the green area, as this offers more opportunities if you're just starting out. So this table helps you to see which keywords will be difficult for you. For example, if you stick to tech reviews, there is a chance that while you might create some content on tech reviews just by writing tech reviews, your content will be buried underneath a lot of search results that have a higher or better website ranking than yourself. But if you're choosing to use SEOs around these areas, you have a better chance for exposure. So what we're going to do now is to make another search. This time we're going to make it more particular. So right here we have ClickUp review pros and cons. So let's click on search this time and we're expecting a lower number. As you can see, we have ClickUp review pros and cons and we have a great improvement here. The difficulty is quite low, and when we click on the keyword ideas, we have a ClickUp review pros and cons, ClickUp pros and cons. So if you create content on ClickUp pros and cons, you will have better discoverability while creating these contents. And this is because the SEO difficulty is quite low and it's in the green, and this is positive. So basically, Ubersuggest helps you to know what keywords would be difficult for you. So by making a keyword search and seeing the difficulty and knowing what level you stand when compared to the big ones out there, you know better and to have a more precise word search in order for you to have a better exposure. With this, we hope you get to grow your channel or grow your content space. Don't forget to check the link in the description to Ubersuggest to have a head start. And if you found this video helpful, do let us know, and thanks for watching.